Khalil Shakir, wide receiver from the Buffalo Bills, recently just suffered a high ankle sprain this Friday, August 1st, in practice. Unfortunately, Khalil suffered the same injury in the 2024 NFL season to the same ankle. Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm a physical therapist, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about the anatomy of this injury, the mechanism of this injury, as well as examination methods to help diagnose this type of injury. So if we take a look at our model here, the primary joint that is involved in a high ankle sprain includes the distal tibiofibular syndesmosis. Now this is basically the binding together of that distal tibia seen right here, as well as the distal fibula making up this joint. Now with this joint, there are structures that help support the integrity of this joint. These include your interosseous membrane, seen right here, your anterior inferior tibiofibular ligaments, seen right here, your posterior inferior tibiofibular ligament, seen over here, as well as your transverse tibiofibular ligament seen below here. The mechanism of injury for a high ankle sprain includes forced dorsiflexion or forced external rotation. This typically is when that foot is planted and there's a twisting action where the joint excessively separates. And as physical therapists, we do have special tests that help diagnose a high ankle sprain. First being the Kliger's test. This is when you put the ankle into excessive dorsiflexion and external rotation stress test. This will help identify if there is a syndesmosis injury or a distal tibiofibular sprain. The other test is the squeeze test. This can help identify a fibular fracture or that syndesmosis sprain. Here the examiner will put their hands proximal on the tibia and fibula and will squeeze the tibia and fibula together above the injury. If it is a syndesmosis sprain, there will be most likely pain around that distal tibiofibular joint. The reports are saying that Khalil will be out for about 4 to 6 weeks with the high ankle sprain. This should take him to just about to the start of the NFL regular season, so hopefully he'll be able to suit up and play week 1 for the Buffalo Bills.